5 seconds. In the next 3 months, we will open the e-ticketing facility to foreign debit credit cards for foreign tourists and NRIs. For our journalist friends, we will provide e-booking of tickets on the concessional passes available to them. This has been a long pending request and it is my privilege to provide them with this service. Cancellation of PRS tickets requires a passenger to travel to a booking window to avail the refund with a prescribed time. This is a source of great discomfort. We will now open the facility of cancellation through the 139 helping post verification using one-time password set on registered phone number. We will introduce barcoded tickets, scanners and access control on pilot basis on major stations to tackle the menace of ticketless travel and ensure hassle-free travel for passengers. We have taken a number of measures to improve services during the morning Tatkal hours, yet there are complaints of rightful passengers being denied train tickets. We therefore intend to progressively ensure CCTV coverage at Tatkal counters. We plan to install a system of third-party periodic audits and certification of security features of the PRS website. The Vikalp Alternative Train Accommodation System scheme introduced in October 2015 will be expanded to provide choice of accommodation in specific trains to wait-listed passengers. IR has historically made a distinction between operational and commercial halts. For the convenience of passengers, I propose to convert all operational halts into commercial halts. This will benefit passengers who were unable to earlier board or disembark certain trains from these halts. We have introduced Sararthi Seva in Konkan Railway to help the old and disabled passengers requiring assistance at stations. We will expand this service at many more stations. We will strengthen the existing service for enabling passengers to book battery operated cars, porter services, etc. on a paid basis in addition to the existing pick up and drop and wheelchair services. In pursuance of the objectives of the Accessible India campaign, we will ensure that all stations under redevelopment are accessible by Divyang. We will make efforts to provide at least one Divyang friendly toilet at each platform in A1 class stations during the next financial year and also ensure availability of wheelchairs in sufficient numbers at these stations. There is a continuous effort on our part to ensure safe and secure travel for our passengers, yet untoward incidents or do occur. To minimize the financial loss to passengers from such events, we are working with insurance companies to offer optional travel insurance for rail journeys at the time of booking.